Hey travel friends, today in Doodle the Travel Bug, we are visiting the home of Dum Dums suckers. We're at Spangler Candy World. Spangler Candy World is located in the sleepy little town of Bryan, Ohio. This isn't our first time here in Bryan. About 10 years ago, we took baby Marco and baby cousin Sydney on the Spangler Factory tour, where guests put on a hairnet and trolley through the production lines. Well, then COVID ruined all that. So Spangler took a page out of Pez Candy's and Hershey's Chocolate's playbook and made themselves a visitor center. Now this space right in downtown is free, self-guided, and interactive fun. There is a small fee though to go see the Spangler movie that we highly recommend. Oh, and the babies are back to check this place out. Dum Dums!
Dum Dums.
There's candy claw machines, photo ops, and fun games that teach guests about candy making. There's big light-up Dum Dum suckers that guests control the colors, and a mini museum. This delightful company has been churning out confections since 1906. But Spangler is most known for their Dum Dum suckers, a ball-shaped iconic lollipop. What's your favorite Dum Dum flavor?
Cherry.
They're also known for their candy canes, bits of honey, and finally, the love it or hate it, but this quirky candy has stood the test of time, the Circus Peanut. We take our seats for the movie, which was educational and entertaining. We watch how workers craft Spangler's sugary delights. This part made me feel a little sad that the trolley tour is no longer run in the factory, but the mini movie theater did have smell-o-vision, which we all enjoyed. When the movie was over, the kids played a fun candy grab video game from a Spangler trolley. And you can't leave without visiting the factory store, a treasure trove for anyone with a sweet tooth. Shelves are lined with an array of Spangler products. You can even find some of their out-of-the-ordinary flavors like berry lemonade, tropical freeze, and peach mango. It's sad leaving this place of pure joy, but we have one more quick stop to make as we head out. We swing by the factory, where outside is the sweetest landmark ever. If this water tower held lollipops, it would hold 75 million Dum Dums, about 1 week of production.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.